What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to skip the cart page and jump to the checkout page on your WordPress e-commerce store. Okay, so based on WooCommerce, when you have a product and you add it to the cart and you click to purchase it on WooCommerce, you're gonna be redirected to the cart page, and then you're gonna need to click to checkout. This can be good, normally it's useful, but in most of the cases or in some specific cases, you do not want that. You want that when you click on purchase, you go directly to checkout, jumping or skipping the cart page. How to do this on WooCommerce without coding and without needs of any WooCommerce add-on for free. This method works for every single theme, but before I show you, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over WooCommerce and click into the submenu Settings, okay? Once on Settings, go to Products and do as I did explain it yesterday into the previous video, into Add to Cart Behavior, mark redirect to the cart page after successful addition. This is very important. After doing this, hit the Save Change button. After, go to the Advanced, review the page setup. Into cart page, instead of cart, we're gonna type checkout, just like this. Okay? Simple, right? And why? You're gonna understand later. Hit the Save Change button. Now, if you go to the products of your WooCommerce, find out a product and try to add it to cart, try to purchase it, you're gonna be redirected to the checkout page because this is the new cart. Of course, you still can access the cart page in the case that you would like, but you're gonna jump the cart page. Simple, right? Easy and very, very effective. And if you need to access cart, you can click on the cart page or apply some link into the checkout page for the cart page, okay? But this is the very most effective and easier method to skip cart pages on WooCommerce. Simple, easy, and effective, and it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!